guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cute side bang pony. It's simple, very easy, and you can use any hair you got laying around the house. It's real easy, so come on. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share this video with everybody in your family, your sister, your uncle, your mama, your brother. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. And subscribe if you're new. Just combing all the kinks out, so I can get this pony.
Perfect.
So dang, y'all, I'm gonna just put a little sulfurate on the scalp because it's like hella dry and flaky. You know, I'm be walking around with flakes and I go through. My part is never like straight. Now guys, what I like to do is go in with some of my Garnier Fructis flat iron spray. Protect your hair. We're about to use this hot comb. And this joint is hot. We want our hair to be slick as possible with this side bang. So now it's going with some beeswax flat, and you need a brush. Smooth all that down. Pony. And this with some hicks edges. This slick your edges down when you. So I like to just take my edge brush and like pull some baby hairs out and make some.
Perfect.
Swoop this back. That's all I do for this side. Like, come through. A ponytail so y'all can hear me. Guys, and I like to separate this hair from the back ponytail hair. Oh, did you see right there? This is my side bang right here, guys. Separate that off. And my side bang. Don't burn your neck. Woo! I spoke too soon. I almost burned my neck. I just want of my pony into a pony. Of my hair into a pony. Yeah, I'm all over the place. See how they got this. that down right here. And some hicks for that baby hair right there. I'm gonna take my edge brush and just brush that part up here back. And rubber band it down with the rest of the ponytail. We'll wrap, guys, will be glue free spray. Spray my bang. This is going to keep my bang in place so my bang don't go. Just in case my bang wanna fall or something. Secure. Okay, so we're gonna wrap. Take this nappy side. Just gonna wrap it around. Need some room. I'm gonna take this and wrap it around our ponytail. Alright, so I'm just gonna brush my ponytail. Let's go through and part it. And here's my flat iron. Just like. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye.